How do you manage risk when you trade? What are the factors that you look into?
So if you recall, we had this very same conversation. The two most important things are risk and discipline. Now, discipline comes into following your rules and understanding when to get in, when to get out, while making sure with the least amount of risk. So, for instance, we've taken 2 trades today, and the first one was Netflix. We got in, however, we got in late, and I did not feel comfortable to hold or put a stop more than what was needed. The goal was to have a stop less than $50 risk. However, the risk was so high, I ended up getting impatient, and then fear kicked in. So what I ended up doing, when in doubt, the best thing to do is get out. It's the best thing I was taught from my mentors. The good thing is we did make money. We got out, and if we look at the Netflix chart, by the way, that JP Morgan did almost reach our price target from yesterday. Did come close to 135. It's still on its way. But going back to Netflix, so what ended up happening is, as soon as it spiked up, I didn't feel comfortable. You put out the annotation to get on this trade here. Well, I got in here, and I didn't want to have a stop over here. That's way too much risk for me, especially for the size of our account. So I ended up getting out and making 90 bucks. Same thing with SPY. We bought SPY and we pulled that trade up. We made 1.2 R multiple. The plan was to get 2R. Now, what I mean by R, we'll have a separate video specifically on this. It's nothing but the risk factor. Let's take a look what happened. I got in, and impatient and fear came in. Now, one thing I don't like to do is, it's never good to hold something when you don't have the right mindset. Before you plan out a trade, you should always have the right mindset, plan out. So trading is more of 80% planning and 20% executing. Unfortunately, my plan for this trade went well, but did not pan out as according to my risk and discipline. Same thing, I got in right over here, and I didn't want to risk unnecessarily.
So it didn't light a candle for you.
Yeah, it didn't light a candle. That's exactly what happened. However, there's always tomorrow. You come in. One thing I don't like to do is, I don't like to micromanage my trade, but whenever I have doubts of risk, I don't think twice, I just get out. So another key phrase that I've learned was sell first, ask questions later. And by the way, we are officially up 139%.
Well, that's awesome. So we can have a special video on that. So it was a good overview of the risk factors and how to manage fear and risk when you trade. So if you guys liked it, give this video a thumbs up, and please do not forget to subscribe to the channel.
All right, Saeed signing out.
All right, this is Kazi signing out. Until next time, take care.